want to show you how to play Irving Berlin's God Bless America. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the melody because you may just want to play the melody with one hand. We're in the key of G and it starts on a G. G, F sharp, E, F sharp, E, D, A, G, A, B, A, B, C, E, C, B, D, G, A, B, A, G, A, G, F sharp, G, F sharp, G, A, D, G, A, B, D, A, B, C, F sharp, B, C, D, E, D, C, B, A, G, C, B, A, D, E, D, C, B, A, G, C, B, D, G. Okay, so the way I take it up there is so that you can take it up at the end. We're in the key of G, and of course it's been sung in many different keys, so there are plenty of different keys out there. If you need a transposition, let me know. Now for the left hand, we're going to start off with a D. We're going to start off the introduction. Let me go to the introduction with a D7. Now it ends up being a D9 with a leading tone because I'm playing up that scale. See, here's your 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 leading tone. So that'll be the introduction. And then kind of slow it down recitative style as you're going up the scale because we're going right up to that melody note. And we're going to start with a G, B, and D. G arpeggiated chord right there. And then we're going to go a B flat, A, we're going to walk it down, then a D. D arpeggiated chord, D, F sharp, A. So the G chord is G, B, D, B flat, A, D, D, F sharp, and A, then G, F sharp, F, E, C, G, D, G, D, G. Let's go that far and then I'll add some more left hand to it. Now hands together, I'll go slowly. Now this B flat is going to go with the E. Then go down to the D. So once we get to that A and the F sharp, we're into that D chord. And then we get the root of the chord and then up to the A right here with the melody, and we're going to just have the D chord behind it. And then we're back to the G chord. But we're walking it down to the 7th. See? There's your 7th of the G chord. 3, 5, 7. Now we're going to a C chord. All I'm going to play in the bass is an E, then I'm going to play the C, then we're going to a G chord, all I'm going to play is the G in the bass, then we're going to the D chord, and I'm going to play a D. Actually, it's still that G sonority, I'm just putting the D in the bass. Then we're going to go from the G to the G, D, to the G, D, G. We'll end with that G chord. And then we're going to walk it back up with, and we're going to a D7. Now, if I'm playing it, I like to play, you can't play the whole 7th chord there, but you can get by with just playing the D to the F sharp and A. Then we're going to go to a G chord, but I'm going to play a D with a G and B, and then do a D with an A and C. So the reason I like it like that, it sounds like you're adding something each time on the left hand. 2 notes. 2 notes. 2 notes. walk back down with a G, F sharp, F. So this way it sounds like we're walking up, and we got a pedal tone D in the bass. And then we go right on up to the E, and in the bass we're going to have C, E, G, G, F sharp, E, D, G, D, F sharp, G, F sharp, F. Now that may confuse you there because at the one time we're going to an E right there. So let me go slowly with it. What I'm doing there is I'm going tenths. So it's like thirds, only I'm playing it an octave apart, which is a very nice sound. Low note, high note right there. So that's what we're playing, but we're just we're only playing 2 notes. Do it again. So this time I'm going to go D, the G chord with D as a pedal tone, then the D7, and then when we hit this, so we're going to, in the right hand, we hit the whole G chord with G on the top, and when we hit that G chord, we're going to do a little, we're going to walk this down chromatically. Hit G and D open 5th there. So it'll go from the ending there. Here we go. Hit this again like I did there, but I get too excited, I guess. But what you do when you walk it down, take your own tempo. You can go quickly with it if you want to. So it doesn't matter. You can do however you want with the tempo. Now I do think it's important to play the 7th chord here because you're getting that full 7th sound. So let your own musicianship take over and how you're feeling when you walk this down. So you can do the same thing, go slowly. God bless America. Hope you enjoy playing it.